Ever pondered upon the unsettling notion that you've been blocked on WhatsApp? Today, we're going to unravel this modern-day mystery by highlighting the telltale signs that might indicate that you've been blocked. Firstly, the profile picture of the person you suspect has blocked you becomes invisible. You won't see their smiling face or their favorite pet in the tiny circle next to their chats anymore. Secondly, their status updates vanish. You know how you could see their witty one-liners or the latest song they were hooked on? Well, if you've been blocked, that window into their world closes. Thirdly, your messages seem to be shouting into the void. You send a text, but it never shows that it has been delivered or read. It's like sending a letter into a black hole. Lastly, trying to make a voice or video call becomes an exercise in futility. No matter how many times you tap that call button, it just won't connect. It's like trying to dial a number that doesn't exist, so there you have it. The 4 major signs that you might have been blocked on WhatsApp. No profile picture, no status updates, messages that never reach, and calls that never connect. However, remember to take these signs with a pinch of salt. There could be other explanations, like their phone being off or them having uninstalled WhatsApp. So before you jump to conclusions, there's a way to cross-verify your suspicions. Create a new WhatsApp account with a different phone number, add them as a contact, and send a message. If your message goes through and their profile picture and status updates are visible, then it's likely that you've hit the nail on the head. In summary, if you can't see their profile picture, status updates, your messages aren't getting through, and your calls are failing, then you may very well have been blocked. However, do verify your suspicions before drawing any final conclusions. If you found this information helpful and want to stay updated with more such content, subscribe to our channel. Not only will you be the first to know when we upload new videos, but you'll also be part of a community that loves to learn about WhatsApp, social media, and more. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep those chats flowing, and remember, not everything is as it seems in the digital world.